Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play MF Doom on drums. We'll dive into the unique characteristics that define his iconic sound. His beats are known for their gritty, sampled texture and a distinct, often swung, rhythmic feel. We'll explore how to capture that signature vibe, focusing on the nuances that make his drum patterns so recognizable and influential in hip-hop. To truly capture the MF Doom groove, pay close attention to rhythmic placement. Many of his beats have a relaxed, slightly swung feel, often sitting a little behind the main pulse. Practice playing your kick and snare with this laid-back approach. Incorporate subtle ghost notes on the snare and crisp rim shots to add that characteristic percussive detail, making your beats sound authentic. The sound of your drums is paramount to emulating MF Doom. Think about using lo-fi, dusty samples, perhaps from old funk or jazz records, to get that authentic texture. Layering a punchy kick with a softer one or a crisp snare with a fatter one can add significant depth. Don't shy away from subtle distortion or compression to give your drum sounds that signature gritty, warm character. To master MF Doom drumming style, active listening is crucial. Pay close attention to every kick, snare, and hi-hat, noting their precise timing and velocity. Begin by learning the foundational patterns, then slowly introduce more intricate fills and ghost notes. Practice with a metronome to build accuracy, but also spend time playing freely to cultivate that natural, unquantized feel. This balance is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.